anytime you need to find materials or sources of an academic or scholarly nature, using the library is your best bet. This Making Connections assignment is designed to give you a very basic introduction to one of our largest databases called OneSearch. OneSearch may be the only database that you really need throughout your undergraduate career. In any case, let's start talking about this database so that you can successfully complete this assignment and navigate the library. The first part of the assignment asks you to find an ebook about your major. If you don't have a major, then simply pick one for the purposes of this assignment. So we are going to go to the library's homepage, and we'll put in our major in the box here. Here's OneSearch. Put in our major as the search term and click search. So I've chosen nursing in this case. And from this set of results, we need to find an ebook. Now, here's one that's popped up right away, but not everything is going to be an ebook. You'll see these are physical books, and then sometimes there will be other types of materials, scholarly journal articles. So instead, I'm going to come over here where it says source types, click on show more, and then restrict or limit to just ebooks. Okay, so I'll click that and hit update. And now all of the results will be ebooks. If you want to read the book, of course, you can simply click one of the full text links, but for this assignment, you just have to find it. So let's say I'm interested in fast facts about the nursing profession, historical perspectives in a nutshell. You'll want to click the title, okay? And then we're going to copy that title and then put it into an email. This is probably the best way to complete the assignment. So I'll pop that in there. I've got an email ready to go for my instructor here, Making Connections assignment. And then the second thing you need is the link to this page, okay? You'll be tempted to go to the address bar and simply copy that, but if you do that, it will not take your instructor to this page. Instead, make sure you come over here on the right to where it says permalink and choose that link. That then will take your professor to the appropriate place, okay? The next thing you have to do is to find a physical book in the library, and this is going to take a little legwork. You'll actually have to visit the library, find the book, take a picture of the title page, but it's really not that difficult. The first thing we need to do is to remove the ebooks limitation, and then instead of choosing a specific type of source, we're actually going to scroll down on the left here to where it says location, and then we're going to choose general collection. General collection is on floors 2 through 5 in the library tower, and it houses the books that you can actually check out. So once you've narrowed to just the general collection location, you'll want to find a book that says that it's available. Okay, so if it's not available, it'll have like a red checked out indication, and then if it's available, then it should be on the shelf, and the next part you need is the call number. Okay, so you'll need to write down the entire call number, and this is what tells you where the book is. Okay, so we will put that into our email, and then in this case we are shifting our books around. So while this is currently on the 5th floor, that may not be the case in the near future. So you would simply want to ask at the service desk on the 2nd floor, okay, I have this call number, which floor do I need to go to? Once you've gone up to that floor, you'll use this to find your book. So we'll say 5 for the floor here, and then take a picture of the title page, so the part that has that's described in your assignment, and you'll attach that to this email. The last step is to find a scholarly journal article. So again, I'm going to remove the little general location limit, and instead I'm now going to choose peer-reviewed, so limit to peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed is basically a synonym for scholarly or academic journal. So I'll do that. Now everything is an academic journal, and I would simply pick the one that sounds interesting to me. So I'll say Artificial Intelligence Automation in the Future of Nursing. Again, click the title. This way we can copy that title into our email we're going to send to our instructor. And then of course we need the permalink again. Okay, so I'll come over here to where it says permalink, copy that, put it into my email, attach my screenshot that I took of the physical book that I found, and send it on its way. There, you've done it, and you now have a basic understanding of how to use OneSearch. Now, there's any number of other databases that we have that you can use and other resources, but OneSearch is a very large one, and it's a good entry-level library resource to use. Good luck.